In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Chatgpt for Figma in Chrome. If you want to speed up your writing, generate ideas directly inside your design file, or get better text suggestions without leaving Figma, this is a very simple workflow to learn. The nice thing about this setup is that it lets you bring AI assistance right into your design environment, so you can stay focused on your project instead of switching between different tabs and tools. To get started, open your Figma file in Chrome and look at the top toolbar. In that toolbar, click the resources icon. This is where Figma gives you access to extra tools, community assets, and plugins that can extend what your workspace can do. If you've never used it before, think of it as the main place for finding helpful add-ons inside Figma. Once the resources panel opens, choose the plugins tab. This is important because plugins are what allow you to launch tools that work directly with your file. In the search field, type ChatGPT for Figma or Figma GPT. Either search term can help you find the plugin depending on how it's listed. When you see the plugin in the results, click Run. That will launch the assistant so you can start working with it inside Figma. Before you begin prompting the assistant, select something on your canvas to give it context. You can highlight a text layer if you want help rewriting copy, improving tone, shortening content, or generating alternative versions. You can also select an entire frame if you want the assistant to understand the broader layout or content area you're working with. This context helps the plugin respond in a way that's more relevant to your design instead of giving generic output. As a general tip, the more intentional your selection is, the more useful the result usually becomes. If you only need help with one block of text, select just that text layer. If your request depends on the surrounding content, choose the frame instead. That small choice can make a big difference in the quality of the response. And that's it. You've opened the resources menu, found the plugin through the plugins tab, launched ChatGPT for Figma, and selected a text layer or frame so the assistant has the context it needs. Once that's done, you're ready to use AI more efficiently inside your Figma workflow.